Traders, FS Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So we had some US dollar news today, unemployment and retail sales. Kind of hilarious to me, to be honest with you, because this has just been a trend trader's dream throughout this whole move. And if you've been following along with my videos for any time now, you know that I've been telling you for a very, very long time now, at least the last couple of weeks, that we should be doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend. I left this Fibonacci retracement out here because I just wanted to show you the one up, three down, one up, Fibonacci bounce, and golfing move to the downside. That would have been another beautiful trend trade. Now, the trend is your friend, and I'm definitely still only looking for shorts in a downtrend. Looking at the trading sentiment, I can see that like 90% of people are trying to go long, so most people don't listen to this kind of advice. But it's definitely really good advice because, man, if you've been trading to the short side for the past several weeks, you have definitely seen lots and lots and lots of profit. So, anyways, we do have a little bit of news tonight and tomorrow, but not really a whole lot. We got some Chinese news tonight. Could move the Aussie and the Kiwi, but probably not much. We got retail sales for the pound tomorrow morning, London session. And then Friday, all we have is building permits and Wallace speaks, which neither of those are really big news events. So, probably not a whole lot out of the dollar pairs. We might see some movement out of the Aussie Kiwi and the pound because of the other stuff. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.